Yo guys, it's me again, man. Don't forget to like and share this video, man. Okay, starting out with this man again. This me this man's hand almost touched him, me. I don't know what it is with me and this man's hands, me bro. Alright, stir up the badwater since I know. Stir it up liquor. Now you can see this bro already look like a dumb guy. Nah, I won't. Why? Now, why must this bro use his hands? Why can't he use a Morse spoon or something? Since I know. Alright. Nee, dis bro. Nee, the man got skill nogal. Jesus. The man nogal dip his hand in there and alles. Now, my bro, I don't know if you can see, but where's the toilets around here, my bro? I don't know if there's a bathroom or anything. Where do this bro wash his hand? Yeah, we got another dumb bro on the motorbike helmet. My bro, I want to know how it look inside there by KFC. Okay, more of the hand stuff. I want to know how it look inside there by KFC and McDonald's and all of that. If it's so dear event over here, out on the streets. I know the streets is tough, but yo, yeah, someone must go pay this man a visit, my bro. Yeah, now you got skill, got a mossige skill, literally a mossige skill. Yo, and this man's hands go in there, my bro. Ja, precies, my bro. Nah, yo. Look at all of that bad water, my bro. My bro, this man might as well just run his empty bath water into the stuff because it looked the same, my bro. Yeah. But don't forget to like, follow, and share, guys. Peace out.